This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Bsiasr Industries Limited.
June 21st marked the end of week 21 of the 2014-2015 sugarcane crop season. The report provided by the Bsiasr Industries Limited shows that for week 21, which started on June 15th, the factory milled 45,120 tons of cane. So far for the 21 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 1,044,506 tons of cane. That is 31,551 tons less than what was milled last year when the factory milled 1,076,057 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 4,780 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 21. For the 21 weeks of crop, a total of 128,041 tons of sugar have been produced. That figure surpasses the amount of sugar produced last year of 111,778 tons. For week 21 of the crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 6,446 tons cane per day. For the 21 weeks of crop, grinding rate stands at 7,105 tons cane per day. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,320 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 21, juice purity first expressed stood at 87.25%, 88.04% for the 21 weeks of crop, and 86.01% last year. For week 21 of the crop, it took 9.44 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. Overall, TCTS stands at 8.16. Last year, it stood at 9.63. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 95.58% was recorded for this week, 95.34% for the 21 weeks of crop, and 95.29% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 98.79, 97.82 for the 21 weeks of crop, and 95.19 last year. Reports show that factory performance continues to be affected by poor weather conditions, with 45,120 metric cane tons milled for the week. High mud levels continue to affect milling throughout at this time. Rainy weather conditions result in muddy fields and an overall increase of mud levels in cane. This is a major factor affecting TCTS. Therefore, harvesting control efforts should focus on keeping mud levels low. Cañeros, la lluvia es un factor principal que afecta el TCTS de la caña debido al aumento en los niveles del lodo en la caña. El gráfico de la semana 17 a la semana 20 de esta zafra muestra cómo el incremento de la precipitación representada por la línea color azul registrada en Tower Hill afecta el TCTS representada por la línea color rojo. Como se puede observar, las toneladas de caña por toneladas de azúcar, TCTS, aumentó constantemente de 7.76 en la semana 17 a 9.29 en la semana 20. Esto representa una deterioración en la calidad de caña.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Bsiasr Industries Limited.